Everyone. Purchase situations and organizational responses in various industries. Today I'm exploring how organizations buy in three common situations: straight rebuy, modified rebuy, and new tax, and how these situations shape decision speed, stakeholders' involvement, risk tolerance, and suppliers' strategies. I will anchor the ideas with simple real world examples from fast food chains, dealerships, retail, and universities so you can see exactly how the same logic plays out in the different sectors and agenda. First, I'll set the stage with a quick executive summary of the big takeaways. Then, I'll dive into focus sectors case, first food restaurant, to show what these purchase situations look like operationally. After that, I'll synthesize the major findings, analyze the drivers behind them, and translate everything into practical recommendations you can apply whether you are buying or selling. I'll close with a short conclusion and leave a moment to reflect on next step. An executive summary. In routine low risk categories, organizations default to straight rebuy because specifications are stable and performance is predictable. Think of automated replenishment of cups of or cleaning suppliers. When requirements or market conditions shift, the same buyers move to a modified rebuy, inviting alternatives or tweaking space. For example, changing to heat retaining postable packaging during a winter menu. When a problem is novel or strategic, they enter a new task purchase, expanding the team, piloting solutions, and staging investment. A good example is rolling out a new digital ordering system that integrates with kitchens, inventory, and delivery platforms. The supplier's playbooks should mirror the context, reliability, and EDI. Friendly operations for straight rebuys, consultative flexibility for modified rebuys, and high touch solution designed with proofs of value for new tasks. In first food operations, straight rebuys dominate everyday items because volumes are predictable and quality is standardized. Automated systematic often triggers orders and metric that matters most in one time in full delivery. A modified rebuy appears when a menu change alters packaging size or performance. A limited time spicy sandwich might require a clum, um, clamshell that prevents sogginess, prompting short pilots and input from organized operations and QA. A new tasks emerge when the chain tests something transformational like a computer vision flyers monitor to reduce waste. The team expands to include IT, store operations, finance, and training, and success is proven through multi-store pilots become scaling. Notice how the purchase situations determines cycle time, the number of decision makers, and the evidence requires to process. Across categories, three patterns stand out. First, the more familiar the need, the more the process requires speed and reliability, which is why contracts, catalogs, and EDI immigrations win in straight rebuy. Second, small changes in space or market dynamics triggers across functional reassessment in modified rebuys. Buyers seek quick compressions, short trails, and measurable improvements, not just lower prices. Third, new tax demand risk management tools, pilot stage gates, and success metrics because uncertainty is highest. Organization trade speed for learning and suppliers that help structure that learning become partners. Uh, Analysis. Three forces explain the shift from straight rebuy to new tasks: perceived tasks, complexity of integration, and strategic impact. As risks and complexity risks, the buying center windows and the data depends. Organizations move from reorder reports to scenario analysis and then to test and learn experiments. Another key drivers is switching cost. If operational retaining system integrations or customer experience changes, are significant, buyers will slow down and ask for evidence that benefits outweigh disruptions. Finally, governance matters. The more the decision touches brand complaints or safety, the more formal the process become, which is why packaging triggers are quick but analytics platform take longer. If you are selling into straight rebuy categories, make reordering effortless. Lock in consistent quality, proof delivery performance, and integrate with the buyer's systems so you are the default choice for modified rebuy. Bring configurable outcomes and rapid pilots. Help quantify trade offs such as durability versus cost and sustainability versus lead times, and make switching low uh, uh, frictions with onboarding, click list, and training asset. For new tasks, behave like a solutions partner, provide reference architecture and textures, clear success metrics, and a staged rollout plan. Run a small proof of value that demonstrates operational impact before asking for skill. On the buying side, classify the purchase situations early, right side the process to match risks, and align stakeholders on what success looks like before you are inviting vendors. Recognizing whether a purchase is routine, involving, or unpredicted to fastest way to design the right process. Pick the right evidence and set the right expectations. When buyers and suppliers align their approach to the true level of uncertainty, decisions get faster, outcomes improve, and relationships strengthen. The same frameworks that governs cup records can guide analytics platform rollouts. The difference lies in how much learning and across functional coordinations you build in the journey. This is my reference. Thank you.